Hello students, here is 13th tip. Assertion and reason, an easy way to solve. Part 2 is about how to solve assertion and reason questions. Most of these questions are very simple, but just reading the tips and answering may not be that effective. Tips are great to make your own strategies to tackle exam questions. Let us have a closer look and see how to go stepwise to solve them. Here is example 1. Keep the option shortcut ready. Here options are A, B, C, D. A and R are assertion and reason, and T and F is representing true and false. So the first step is read assertion statement carefully and think whether it is true or false. Molarity of a solution in liquid state changes with temperature. It is true. As we know, molarity is moles per liter and liter is indicating volume of the solution which changes with temperature. So answer assertion is true. Now read the reason and think independently it is true or false. The volume of a solution changes with a change in temperature. It is also true. Now try to connect both the statements with because. Molarity of a solution in liquid state changes with temperature because the volume of a solution changes with a change in temperature. Yes, the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So A is the right answer. Now come to example 2. In example 2, again the first step is read assertion statement carefully and keep the option shortcut ready. So here the options are A, B, C, D, same, and A and B, A and R are assertion and reason, and T and F, true and false. So, assertion is among the two OH bonds in water molecule, the energy required to break the first OH bond and the other OH bond is same. It is false. Now, read the reason statement carefully and independently think whether it is true or false. This is because the electronic environment around oxygen is the same even after the breakage of one OH bond. It is again false. Electronic environment changes after breakage of one OH bond. Note here, when assertion and reason both are false, D is the only option. So D is the right answer. Let us recall all steps to crack assertion and reason questions easily. Here, revise your concept before the examination. Read the instructions carefully and write a short note at the corner of the answer sheet because in every exam it is different. Go stepwise, read both statements carefully. Ponder over each statement independently and decide whether it is true or false. Finally, decide which option is correct. Analyze your practice test result. Check the reason. Why are you losing marks? And practice until you get it right. Thank you.